In today's episode, you will see a complete guide about how to grow chilies from seed with step by step and day to day update. In present age of this chili plant are just 30 days. This plant is already start blooming flowers and growing chilies. In next clip, I will show you how do I grow this chili plant from seed. So let's get started from day 1 where this plant are get sprouted from seed. Actually that's a variety of hot pepper. Now I want to start the germination process of those seeds. To germinate hot pepper seeds, just moist them on water for at least 10 to 12 hours. After 12 hours, you can plant your seeds on a paper towel, tissue paper or on a cloth. I want to use a simple cotton cloth to do this task. So just collect the seed from water and set them on this cloth. After set up all the seed, just fold the cloth and give some water, but ensure that don't use too much water. This may be problem of fungal attack. Now pack the total setup and set it on direct sunlight. That's after 3 days and you can see what happened. Almost all the pepper seeds are get sprouted and the germination process is totally done. Now the next step is to collect all the seeds which are already germinated and plant them on soil or on any media where you want to plant them. Now let's plant all the seeds on those one-time cups because I want to prepare some seedlings of hot pepper for my garden. So let's do the task. To prepare this soil mixture, mix up 70% garden soil and 30% organic compost. On other hand, if you are able to use coco peat, then just mix up 70% of coco peat and 30% of organic compost. And keep your all seeds on there. Now set up all those pots on full sunlighted area and keep watering regularly. After planting, it takes 10 to 15 days to prepare good quality seedlings of hot pepper on those one-time disposable cups. So let's see what happened in day 7. In day 7 you can see all the plants are growing perfectly and they are producing only 2 leaves, but the small hot pepper plants are really healthy and growing properly. So let's see the situation of seedlings after 15 days. There's the footage after 15 days and you can see the growth of all the plants. All of my chili plants are growing perfectly and in this time we can easily transplant them on bigger pot or we can easily plant them on our garden or yard. If you want to grow hot pepper on container, then you have to mix up a perfect soil mixture. To prepare this mixture, use sandy soil or use 50% garden soil, 20% river sand and 30% of organic compost. This is the perfect soil mixture for chili plant. Actually chili plant don't like loamy soil. For this reason, you have to ensure a soil which is well drained and there is no way suffering by too much water. So let's see what happened after plantation of those plants. That's the footage of 30 days, and you can see all of these plants are start fruiting. Their new flower and also some fruits are preparing. So by this way you can easily grow pepper on your garden, or you can easily grow pepper on a small container. So thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more information about these plants and their regular update, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly.